Hello there, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to teach you how to make some garlic flavored mashed potatoes. Garlic flavored mashed potatoes. So in other words, we're going to flavor the mashed potatoes with some garlic, okay? Alright, so I'm using some red potatoes. And I cut some of the skin off, but I left some of it on so that when I mash it, you can get some of the benefits of the skin as well as the color, okay? So let me turn the camera down. Oh, before I do that, why don't I give you the word of the day right now? Because I know you're just waiting to hear a word, right? Okay, so the word of the day is, I'm in Massachusetts and today is Friday, and I know you're thinking about Saturday, all the errands you have to run, all the things you have to do, what you have to buy, what you're going to prepare for dinner for Sunday, what time you're going to have to get ready to do some different activities, maybe late tomorrow night. So much to do, right? Okay, so in spite of all that you have to do and all the plans that you intend to endure, do this. Before you do anything, just sit down, have a cup of coffee or soda or whatever you have before you start your day. Sit down and have that. And while you're having that, have a thought process and say, okay, so if I go here, then I can do this, in that same area. And if I do this last, then I can go over here and do this. You got me? So organize your day. Organize your thoughts. Organize your life. Because at the end of the day, you don't want to be running around in circles. Okay? That's the word of the day. Start by sitting down and planning out your day. Even if you're going to work or wherever you're going, try to sit and plan out your day, even if it's nothing but 5 or 10 minutes. That way your day will go a lot more smoother because you know what to expect. Plan your day. That's the word of the day. All right, let me show you the potatoes, okay? So these are the potatoes. I think this is around, maybe I'd say 6 or 7 pounds. I got them loose, and so they were in a bag, but I think it's around 5 or 6 pounds. Okay, all right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to put some water in the pan. We're going to boil the potatoes. Then after they get boiled, we're going to take it from there on how we're going to flavor it up with our garlic. Okay, so I'll see you in about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes when the potatoes get soft. All right, talk to you then. Okay guys, here's our potatoes. They're all boiled. Okay, I poured some of the water off, but not all of it. Okay, so let me turn your attention now to this food processor. All right, make sure that you can see. There we go. Okay, so the reason why I didn't pour all the water out is because I may use some of it. So I'm going to put some potatoes in. Now watch what I do. Little trick. Okay, so I have some potatoes in. Now I'm going to start with all of my seasonings. I'm going to put some salt in. Some pepper. Sea salt, black pepper, and I have some butter here. I'm gonna just slice off. I'm gonna slice it all because I'm probably gonna use it all. For this batch here, I'm gonna put in maybe half of the stick. Okay, I I have about 5 sticks there. Then I have some garlic paste here. So I want you to put in, we're going to do baby steps, definitely baby steps. I have a teaspoon, and let's just put just a pinch, about like that. We're going to see how that tastes after that pinch, okay? So we'll just leave that right there a minute. Okay. And the reason why I said I was gonna save some of the broth is normally you would add milk, but I'm gonna add the broth. The water that I boiled the potatoes in. Not broth, sorry. The water that I boiled the potatoes in. Okay, let's do it. Let me see what's going on. Okay, I want to taste it. See what I'm missing. I'm missing everything. Definitely salt. Some more pepper. Another pinch of garlic. Now let's give that a try. Okay, let me get a clean spoon. Taste it again. I can taste the garlic, but I don't taste salt. Put a little bit more salt. And a little more pepper. I think we're close to there. Alright, why not? Another pinch of garlic. Just a pinch. Pinch. I think we should have it now. Okay, let me taste. That's it, guys. That's it. So let me talk to you a little bit about this. So maybe you have someone in your house that can't have milk, okay, but they can have butter. So you see how I eliminated the milk problem by using the water that I boiled the potatoes in to work to loosen up the potatoes, right? But let's say you can't have the butter or the milk. Okay, so you can just use the water and then start with flavors, right? Or your seasonings. So you can see how you can still make it work, okay? So I just wanted to show you that trick. I'll be right back. I'm gonna mix up the rest. I'm gonna put this in a bowl. We'll mix up the rest, and then we'll conclude with the word of the day. How about that? Okay, 1 second. Here we go, guys. Garlic mashed potatoes, and the little red spots, you know, from we did red potatoes that we cooked with, so I left some of the red on so that you can get some of that nutrition. Okay, all right, so let me get a thumbnail on that. Why not? Flavored garlic mashed potatoes. That's what I'm gonna call it. Flavored garlic mashed potatoes. Okay, so remember, you can flavor your mashed potatoes with anything you like. You can flavor it with lemon juice. You can flavor it with pickle juice. You can flavor it with anything you like. Just think about that a minute. Okay, so you don't have to always put milk in there. I showed you that. Okay, you can actually use the water that you boiled the potatoes in to stretch it out. Okay, lots of things you can do. Okay, so let me get a taste for you. I'm gonna taste it right off the spatula. Okay, how about that? Waste not, want not. Wow. That garlic came through, guys. So good. Creamy, is just as if you put milk in it, and we didn't put no milk in it. How about that, guys, huh? Okay, so you try that. I think the kids will like that because they like mashed potatoes, okay? Check out the links below. Subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. And thank you for all that you have done for me. And I hope that I'm sharing back with you. Okay? Alright, share the video, give it a thumbs up. Love you. Bye-bye.